When you search for fish tanks and aquariums, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Tetra 3-gallon Half Moon Kit. First up, we have the Tetra 3-gallon Small Fish Tank. Priced at $57.96, this aquarium starter kit caught my attention with its unique half-moon shape and colorful LED lights. If you want a charming, compact aquarium that's perfect for bettas or goldfish, this is worth a serious look. The included Tetra Whisper internal power filter keeps the water clean and healthy, while the air pump drives a fun bubble curtain that cycles through a rainbow of colors. This gives your fish a lively environment while also making your aquarium a colorful centerpiece in your home. It has a solid 4.2-star rating from over 5,700 reviews, so people are definitely enjoying it. Now, some users have mentioned that the filter can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker for everyone. If you're placing it in a living room or somewhere you spend a lot of time, it might be something to consider, but it's not unbearable. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for something small and easy to maintain. Skip this one if you want something larger or if noise is a significant concern for you. For the price, it's a great way to start your aquarium journey. Now, if the small size of the Tetra tank doesn't meet your needs, the next one on my list is a bit larger and packed with even more features. Product number 2, Aqueon 10-gallon Starter Kit. Next up is the Aqueon Aquarium Starter Kit, priced at $124.01. This kit really stands out with its smart clean filtration and user-friendly setup. If you want a hassle-free experience setting up an aquarium, this one's a fantastic option. The kit includes everything you'll need to get started: a 10-gallon glass tank, low-profile hood with LED lighting, and a preset heater that keeps your water at a cozy 78 degrees, perfect for tropical fish. The Smart Clean filtration system is designed for easy maintenance, allowing quick water changes to keep your fish happy and healthy. With a 4.3-star rating from 2,400 reviews, it's clear that many hobbyists trust this product. However, some users have reported issues with the filter not being powerful enough for heavy stocking. But here's the thing, if you stick to a reasonable number of fish, it should work just fine. It's all about balance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable starter kit with everything included. Skip this one if you plan on keeping a lot of fish or need something more advanced. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more space and features. Product number 3, Tetra 20-gallon Tropical Kit. Now let's talk about the Tetra 20-gallon Complete Tropical Fish Tank Kit, priced at $119.14. This kit really caught my eye with its included LED lighting and beautiful decor. If you want a larger setup that still maintains simplicity, this is worth checking out. The LED lighting creates a beautiful natural daylight effect, making your fish stand out. Plus, it includes a water conditioner and a food sample to get you started right away. With a 4.3-star rating from 3,700 customers, it's proven to be a popular choice. Some buyers mentioned that the setup instructions could be clearer. I'll be real with you, a little guidance goes a long way, but once you figure it out, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you want a mid-sized tank that's easy to maintain while still offering a vibrant aquatic environment. Skip this if you're looking for something even larger or more advanced. For the price and convenience, it's a fantastic option for budding aquarists. Now, if you're looking for something even larger, check out our next product that offers more customization. Product number 4, Tetra 29-gallon Rectangular Tank. Next on our list is the Tetra Glass Aquarium 29 gallons, priced at $129.99. This rectangular tank is a great option for those who need more space and flexibility. If you want an aquarium that you can customize and grow with, this is definitely worth a look. This 29-gallon tank is made of high-quality glass and provides ample room for your fish. It's designed for easy customization with various Tetra accessories, allowing you to create a unique environment. The size is perfect for a variety of fish and even gives them room to swim freely. It has a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, showing it's well-loved by users. However, some users found it a bit heavy to move once filled. Here's the thing, if you're planning to place it in a fixed location and keep it there, this shouldn't be a problem for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create a tailored aquatic experience for your fish. Skip this if you need a more compact solution. For the size and quality, it's a great value. Finally, if you're after something with a more fun design and lower maintenance, stick around for the last product. Product number 5, Koller Products 6-gallon Aquaview. Last but not least, we have the Koller Products Plastic 6-gallon Aquaview 360 Aquarium Kit, priced at $69.99. This unique setup offers a 360-degree view and is perfect for those who want something a bit different. If you need a fun, stylish aquarium that's easy to manage, this might be the one for you. The internal power filter does a great job cleaning the water, and its impact-resistant plastic construction means you won't have to worry about breakage. Plus, it has a built-in light timer which makes it super convenient. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's a solid choice for casual aquarists. However, some users noted that the water flow can be a bit strong for small fish. But honestly, if you choose your fish wisely, it shouldn't be a big issue. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, colorful tank that adds flair to your space. Skip this if you're looking for something bigger or more traditional. For the features and price, it offers great value. So to wrap it all up, the Tetra 3-gallon is great for beginners and small spaces. The Aqueon 10-gallon offers a balanced starter experience. The Tetra 20-gallon strikes a good size and feature balance. The Tetra 29-gallon gives you lots of customization options, and the Koller Aquaview makes for a fun, stylish choice. Each has its pros and cons, so choose the one that best fits your needs.